Good morning, students. Next lecture is software reliability. So, firstly, we'll understand the meaning of the term software reliability. So, software reliability means operational reliability. It is described as the ability of a system or component to perform its required function under static condition for a specified period. Software reliability is also defined as the probability that a software system fulfills its assigned task in a given environment for a predefined number of input cases, assuming that the hardware and the input are free of errors. Software reliability is an essential connect of software quality composed with functionality, usability, performance, serviceability, capability, installability, maintainability, and documentation. Software reliability is hard to achieve because the complexity of a software tends to be high. While any system with a high degree of complexity containing softwares will be hard to reach a certain level of reliability, system developer tends to push complexity into the software layer with the speedy growth of system size and ease of doing so by upgrading the system. Software failures. What are the at which we have basically categorized the failures here on which the reliability is basically dependent. So transient failures. These failures can occur with specific input. Permanent failures, the failure appears on all the input. Recoverable failure, system can recover without operator help. Unrecoverable failures, system can recover with operator help only. Non-corruption failures, failures does not corrupt system state or data. Corrupting failure, it damages the system state or data. So the hardware and the software reliability. This is a very important question. So hardware faults are mostly physical faults. Software faults are the design faults which are tough to visualize, classify, detect and correct. Hardware components generally fall down to wear and tear. So in the below given graph, you can see that this is a build-in phase. This is the time when we are using it. This is the time when the hardware goes out of it wears out. So here what is happening is we defined a project. We are testing. Product में हमने सारे errors and failures को remove करा, फिर हमने उसको use करा. After a time, we are not able to upgrade it, so the software become obsolete. So this is a bathtub curve, and this is a normal x-axis curve. Thank you.